Hello grade 12, so just looking at question 9 here, assuming you've done most of the rest of the exercise. So, it tells us the 11th term of an arithmetic sequence is 57 and the sum of the first and fourth terms is 29. Determine a formula for the nth term. Okay, so the 11th term arithmetic sequence, we know that we're dealing with kind of that Tn equals a plus n minus 1 d. Constant difference is key, that formula is key. Okay, the 11th term is 57. So we know that T11 is 57. 57, let's do that. And using our formula here, then we know that 57 is a plus n minus 1 d, because n was 11, so we can just put 10 there. Okay, so for one equation, two variables, so maybe that's a hint of where it's going. The sum of the first and fourth terms is 29. So T1 plus T4 is 29. Okay, well, T1, using this formula, T1 is just A. No formula needed, actually. A is the first term. And T4 is A plus 3D. So therefore, T1 plus T4 is A plus 3D. So A plus A, well, that's just 2A plus 3D. And we're told that that's equal to 29. Okay, two equations, two variables, hello, simultaneous equations. So however you want to solve this, we did it a couple ways in class. You might make A the subject of the formula. So we might go, let's call that equation 1, that equation 2. And from equation 1, we can tell that A equals 57 minus 10D. And then we can sub that one, which we can call 3, and let's sub 3 into 2, and I think we know the gif from here, right? So, we've got 29 equals 2a minus 10d, where we 2a plus 3d. So we got one equation now with one variable, and we can solve for d and sub it back in to find a. I'm just going to run through that. 29 equals, and just distribute this 2n minus 20d plus 3d. So we got minus 17d, 29 minus 114. Oh, I'm going to need my calculator here. I don't know these things off by heart, seriously. Minus 85. So minus 85 equals minus 17d divided by minus 17. So therefore d equals 5, which we can then sub back into this equation over here. So we know that A equals 57 minus, where were we, 10. D is 5. So 57 minus 50, shouldn't need the calculator for that. Okay, and let's just check what it says here. It says determine a formula for the nth term. So it didn't say find A and D, so we're not quite done. Last piece of the puzzle is we need to know that Tn equals A plus n minus 1 d, and d is, what did we say it was? 5. Okay, it didn't say simplified, so you don't really have to, but if you wanted to, then we could simplify that to go, well, we're going to have minus 5, 7, so we're going to have 5n, what did I say, plus 2. Seems about right. Shot if there's a mistake. Have fun.